Hey, this is Dan Palanchar. I am a Smartsheet Solutions consultant with School of Sheets, and I'm going to be answering some questions in the Smartsheet community. So for those of you who don't know, the Smartsheet community is a place where Smartsheet users can go and ask questions. Generally, people ask for help about something that they're trying to produce in Smartsheet, and sometimes people like myself will go in and answer these questions. So I found a good-looking question here, and let's figure out how to solve it. So Donna is saying she has a sheet and she wants to be able to identify the region based on the state in the preceding column. She's tried multiple formulas and get back an unparsable error message. What am I missing? Here's her formula. I have this random sheet that I use to answer these types of questions. So let's take a look. We don't need any of these columns, so I'll hide them. Let's call this our state column. I'm going to make it a drop down, and she wants to be able to select from NJ, NYCT, as well as NC, SCGA. I'm going to move this to my second monitor. I'd recommend using two monitors if you're a person that's using Smartsheet to develop solutions. Okay, that's plenty. Let's copy all our options and put them in here. Like that. And let's get her formula again. I'll put it in the sheet summary so that we can just have it over here. All right, so let's change this to region. That's the title that she is using. And this is the formula that she's gone with. So if we put that in, we do get an unparsable. I can tell you right now, the reason is because there are a few reasons. First, this statement here, if state 1 equals ny, comma, nj, comma, ct, this is text. You always need to have text in quotes. So we can put this in quotes, and that will, unless there's other errors, that should at least make it readable. So now it's a valid formula. However, it's not going to produce the desired results. And that's because this formula is literally saying, now, for example, if we put this string into the state, it's going to display northeast. What I think Donna is trying to do is to say, if the state is equal to any of these three values, display northeast. So we're going to rewrite this kind of from the ground up to get it. And let's just say we want to, let's put our desired output so we can make sure it's right. This should be northeast, these three, and we want southeast for these three, and we want west for these three. Okay, so we're going to use a if statement to do this. If statements just are logical formulas. They allow you to evaluate criteria and display certain outputs based on what it is that you find. So we're going to say if state, I'm going to use at row rather than the number. At row is a little bit more, it's kind of a best practice. I'm not going to go into detail now, but all it means is to look at the cell in the same row of the formula. Okay. And we're going to evaluate our state to get the desired output. Okay. If state at row equals, we're going to want to just do the individual state, okay? ny, value of true, northeast. We can kind of repeat this a few times. And j, getting this. Okay. I'm going to stop here so we can basically see it in action. So it's displaying northeast for these three. Now, that's one way you could do it. You can do your individual statements and get your answers. You could also use an or statement, and that would be a little bit, easier to read and maybe a little bit faster. So I'm going to do the whole formula now in a kind of a better way. So our logical expression, we're going to do or. So if or, and it gets a little confusing because you have to kind of put the formulas first. It's like reading right to left rather than left to right. But anyways, if state at row equals ny, and we put some quotes, and now we can put all of these statements in a row. This is really one big logical expression right here with three different kind of logical statements within it. Now we can do northeast. It'll work just the same. And we can repeat this general structure, this if, or, da, 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 2 more times. So this is the value of true of our initial if statement. So we're going to get a second if statement going for value of false. So if the state is not any of these values, we can then move on. And we are going to be now evaluating NC, SC, and GA. And we want this to be southeast. We need to delete that last parenthesis so we can get another if statement here. And we're going to be looking at California, Arizona, and Nevada. And this will be west. All right. Close that statement. We copy this down. We get our desired output. Everything matches as it should. Perfect. All right. So let's share this solution with Donna back in the community. Back in the Smartsheet community now, so I've left Donna a response here why she's getting the Unparseable, basically what we just went through. And then once I upload this video to YouTube, I will add the link at the bottom. So that is how you would write a nested if or logical statement to return a region based on a selection in the state. So that's the end of this video, I guess, unless maybe I'll find another question and tack it on. We'll see. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this, and if there's anything you're struggling with Smartsheet-wise, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll make a video for you. Thank you. Bye.